In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter cards by label on your Trello board. This is a handy skill that can save you time and make your workflow much more efficient, especially when you're managing large projects with numerous tasks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily sift through the clutter and focus on what truly matters. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is go to your project board. You can easily find this by logging into your Trello account and navigating to the board where you conduct most of your project management. Your project board is essentially the hub of all activities, tasks, and ideas. It's where you keep track of everything related to the project, and it's neatly organized into various lists and cards. Once you're on the project board, your next step is to locate the menu icon. It's represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu, which you'll find on your screen. Clicking on these lines will open up a menu where you can access many different settings and options, which are key to customizing your Trello experience. Now that the menu is open, direct your attention to the Labels option. Click on Labels to proceed. This section allows you to manage the color-coded labels associated with different tasks and cards within your board. Labels are a great way to categorize your tasks, giving you a visual cue that helps in quickly identifying the nature or priority of a task. It could be for urgency, department assignment, or any categorization that suits your workflow. After you've accessed the Labels option, look for the button that says Select Labels. Clicking here brings up a panel with all available labels. This is where you can choose which labels you want to filter by. You'll see the colored labels listed, each labeled with the name or category you designated. Selecting a label from this list is what activates the filter. Finally, you need to make your selection from the list of labels to filter your view. Once you click on the specific label or labels you want to filter by, Trello will instantly show you only the cards that have those labels attached to them. This means you can focus on tasks that are most relevant to what you're working on at the moment. And there you have it. You've successfully filtered your Trello board cards by label, making it easier to manage and prioritize your ongoing projects. I hope this tutorial makes your project management process smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips on making the most out of your Trello boards. Happy organizing!